How do I run a full scan using Windows Defender? Hello everyone, and let's get started. But before diving into the steps, let's look on the importance of running a full scan. The very first one would be comprehensive protection, early detection and removal, and preventive maintenance. However, there are some of the warnings and considerations as well. The very first one would be the resource usage. Running a full scan can consume a significant amount of system resources, including CPU and disk usage. This may cause your computer to run slower than usual. Likewise, the next one would be time consumption. Third is interrupting the scan. Avoid interrupting the full scan process once it has started. Interrupting the scan prematurely may result in incomplete scanning and leave your system vulnerable to the threats. Likewise, the next would be regular scanning. While full scans provides comprehensive security checks, it is essential to perform regular quick checks as well. So now let's get started with the process. For that, you have to go to settings. For that, right click on the start button and then tap on settings. Once the settings is opened, you can click on privacy and security or directly search for virus and threat protection. Once that is done, you will see the option. First of all, you will see an interface like this, which is different kinds of threads as well as the settings. Now you have to tap on scan option under quick scan and then tap on full scan option. It is enabled clicking on the button and then check all files and running programs on your hard disk. So this way it might take a time more than 1 hour. So make sure to be patient enough till the full scan is completed. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.